Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty, 3 o'clock. That is because it is busy and Divina comes at 3 o'clock. And because a lot of order comes at around 12:30, just right after I set up the lunch service. Yeah, order comes until 3 o'clock. Yeah, the good thing is that most of the things are available. If it's not, I need to run to the cold room, to the vegetable fridge, Yeah, that's difficult, but yeah, things are good. I noticed that there are some order that comes out after, oh, what's this? Yeah, I noticed that there are some order that comes out after 20 minutes. For me, 20 minutes is long time of waiting. Not good. I am now using this GoPro Hero 8 with microphone attached to it, so there is not so much wind noise. It is actually very windy. Yeah, just right outside, I mean in the road. It is very windy there. A lot of people today. Look, the water is really far. Yeah, nice. So I am basically vlogging with the action camera, sports camera, or whatever you call that, but yeah, I'm just using a small camera, the GoPro Hero 8 at the moment. But previously I was using the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and then GoPro Hero 5, and GoPro Hero Session, and SJ4000 when I was in Dubai. SJ4000 is also good. Yeah, with this almost similar features, basic features of GoPro. Yeah, that is what I was using before when I was traveling when I was in Dubai, and then when I was traveling in Europe, also in Southeast Asia. And then I saved some money. Yeah, I start to vlog with GoPro Hero Session in Sydney. And then I got more money. I bought GoPro Hero 5. Yeah, and then GoPro Hero 7, and then this one, GoPro Hero 8. But also I have the Canon M50. I used that for the meantime for vlogging because I thought it is going to be good and easy to use for the vlog, but it is really difficult because I am vlogging mostly when I'm on my bike, like today. And with Canon M50 it is really difficult to vlog like this because Canon M50 is big and a little heavy. Sorry, thank you. Thank you. Every creator, every vlogger, every YouTuber, yeah, they always wanted to make our video to be beautiful with nice video quality, nice audio quality, and because of that we buy things that we think that is going to help to make the video good. The same like me, I bought a lot of things that I thought that I am going to use it and will be very useful for my vlog. Yeah, I bought different things, a lot of things. Like I bought a gimbal. I bought like 3 gimbal from the very beginning. And gimbal are expensive. Yeah, and then at the end of the day I am also selling those because I realized that I don't really need those. Also I bought some different tripods, and then yeah, some of those are not usable also for my style of vlogging. Yeah, it's like a wasting of money for something you love to do, but it's an experience. So it's okay. If you are going to buy something, make sure that you really need it. I would say that the basic setup for vlogging is just the good camera. The camera must be with good stabilization, especially if you are vlogging outdoors, a lot of walking, driving, is similar to GoPro Hero 7 and GoPro Hero 8. And yeah, the other camera there with good stabilization. And another thing is microphone. Yeah, microphone is very helpful, very good for the vlogging, especially outdoors. Because you know, if you vlog outdoors, expect that there is wind, and wind noise is not good in the camera. And then a good tripod, also big help, so you are comfortable to hold it when you are vlogging, you know, or you can put it anywhere you want when you need it. Yeah, so those things, those three. A gimbal or stabilizer is good only if you are making a video without sound, because based on my experience, gimbal is making, you know, mechanism, the noise of the gimbal, the machine of the gimbal, it gives noise. So it's not good for vlogging with the audio, especially when you are talking. You don't want the noise of the gimbal. So it's the good camera, a good microphone, and then the comfortable tripod. Those three are the basic things you need to do vlogging outdoors. So as you can see, they are doing some improvements in this marina. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my calamari. It's $15 together with this water. So you can see it's a lot of smoke, like a haze or something. You don't really see the other side of the island. Yeah, I experienced something like this, maybe worse than this, when I was in Malaysia. You know, you see the Petronas Tower, you don't see it clearly when you are on the bottom of the building because of too much smoke. You know, the smoke is coming from Indonesia, but it reaches Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, not good. Yeah, I actually arrived there, and then that's the first thing I noticed, the first thing I experienced. Yeah, these days I like calamari. What do you want? Oh. Yo, that's it. I cannot finish this anymore because I taste the oil. Look at this aquatic bird. Yeah, they are diving, they are catching fish. Those two. There must be so many fish in here. Even those white bird, they are trying to take one, to catch one. Yeah, actually the wind is a little annoying, uncomfortable feeling having this wind this time. It's cold and not good in the skin. This is not the best time to roam around, walk around, yeah, because of the haze. I actually have my camera here with me, and yeah, I plan to roam around, take pictures, take videos, but look at that, it's like 1 kilometer, zero visibility. Is there such thing like that? Yeah, but it is. Yeah, there's so much haze. We are going first to KFC to have our lunch. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. They actually have this in Kmart. This is a USB-C where you can put your USB 3.0, like a USB-C adapter, and another USB-C with the micro USB-C, no, micro USB adapter. Even this USB-C to USB-C they have, and it's $15. Yeah, we are just here in the bowling center. There's no people here. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my cappuccino. I don't know which music is that, but it looks good. Oh, I don't want to vlog it. Be quiet. Cool. Yeah, we are now here in the park. Yeah, there are some people relaxing in here. There are two kids in the water, they are playing, and there is a father and daughter. Nice, a lot of cars in the park, and I will be just here sitting having this coffee. We are going home now. I did nothing much today.